Today talk about this topic, epistatistics. The last class was discussion about the dominant epistatistics. It is coming to the recessive epistatistics. The next one. Okay. What is recessive epistatistics? It is a one elite is affected to the another elite of secondary gene. Another elite of secondary gene is also called as a recessive epistatistics. It is an example for it is expressed to the mass. It is expressed to the mass one gene to another gene. It is a hypostatic gene. It is also called as recessive epistatistics. It is 9:3:3:1. It is modified to the 9:3:4. This phenotypic ratio is also called as recessive epistatistics. It is a non-Mendelian inheritance. Okay. So it is recessive epistatistics example. It is a xenotypic gene is A. It is introduced to the B. Okay. It is additional copy of phenotypic. It is a AB, and ABB. That is additional phenotypic ratio in the presence of recessive epistatistics. Okay, clearly. The next comes to the example. This best example for recessive epistatistics. It is depending upon coat color. Coat color. This coat color is represented by ordinary moths. Okay. It is a two types of colors. It's depending upon the two types of pigments. Okay. Clearly, it is one is the most important for black. It is present in the head. Okay. The another is a tendency of the skin, etc. Okay. It is a coat color is mouse. It is responsible for the ordinary. It is a more examples to the gonia pigs, rabbits, mice, etc. Okay. Let's come to the coat color mouse. Okay. It is a two colors. It is depends upon the two pigments. Okay. One is represented by capital C, small a, small a. One is dominating character, another is recessive character. It is the most important depends upon the recessive character by recessive epistatistics. Small c, capital A, capital A. It is represented by black. Okay. It is represented by albino. It is crossing to capital C, capital A, small a. It is also called as acute. Okay. It is a F1 generation in hybrid. Okay. It is a capital C, capital A, again capital C, small a, small c, capital A, small c, small a. Okay. It is crossing between arrangement of the checkbook. Capital C, capital A, capital C, small a. Small c, capital A, again small c, small a. Okay, ma. So again, capital C, capital A, capital C, small c, capital A, again small c, small a. It is crossed between capital letters, capital A, capital A, capital C, capital C. Again, capital C, capital C, capital A, small a. The next one, capital C, small c, and capital A, capital A. Okay. The next one, capital C, small c, capital A, small a. Okay. So if this one is crossed between two genes. It is last class also discussed this. So capital C, capital A, small a. Capital C, small a, small a. Capital C, small c, capital A, small a. One is the recessive character, another is the dominating character. Capital C, small a, small a. Next one. Capital C, small c, capital A, capital A. Okay. Capital C, small c, capital A, small a. Small c, capital A, capital A. Again, small c, capital A, small a. Again, capital C, capital A, small a. Capital C, small a, small a. Capital C, sorry, small c, capital A, small a. So small c, small a. It is the arrangement of the checkboard. It is depends upon the Mendel's law of inheritance, but not involved in the non-Mendelian significations. So it is identification of the treatments. Okay. It is a capital letters was indicated to the albino. Okay. So that is the small letters is indicated by the color. So those pigments are identified to the recessive epistatistics. It is coming to the capitals or smalls. It is a acute. Next one, acute. The next one, capitals, capital. Acute. Next one, acute. Acute. So let's come to the capital C, small a. It is represented by black. Okay. Next one, acute. Again, black. Next one, acute. Next one, acute. Next one, small c, capital A. That is called as albino. It's also albino. Acute. So it is represented by black. Why? It is a recessive character, small a. The next one, albino. So all small character, it is named albino. That is called as arrangement of the gene. Okay. Let's convert it into recessive epistatistics 9:3:4. Okay, ma? So count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. The acute is represented by 9. The next one, 1, 2, 3. Black. 3. The next one, albino, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 9:3:4 ratio is phenotypic ratio. That is called as a recessive epistatistics. The recessive epistatistics is expressed to mask the another gene is also called as a recessive gene. It is 9:3:4. It is depends upon the more recessive character. The recessive epistatistics is finally hypostatistics phenotypic ratio. Hypostatic phenotypic ratio, that is 9:3:4.